If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making PARIJATAKA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take about 1 cup of wheat flour or atta, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, half a cup of sugar. Then take some cloves in 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then quarter teaspoon of salt. Now in a large bowl, add all the atta along with quarter cup of curd or dahi. Then add all the ghee, salt and powder. Now mix it up really well, and we need to knead this to make a dough. Now let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Then take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball first. Then placing it in between your palm, flatten it a little, just like this. Now we need to fry these. So for that, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on low. Then add them one by one. And we need to fry these till they got crisp and golden in color. Then just remove them. So now to coat them in sugar, take another pan and in that add about 2 tablespoons of water along with the sugar and wait till all the sugar dissolves. Then boil the syrup for roughly about 2 minutes so it will get rid of the moisture, that's the water. Then to that add all the fried parijataka and coat them really well. Then switch off the flame and it will be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad parijataka. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.